Now, right off the bat, I'm wondering if I should talk a little bit about what WordPress is, what themes are. I don't think I really need to spend a lot of time on this because, hey, you're here taking a course on how to build WordPress themes, so you probably have a pretty solid idea of what WordPress is. But just really quickly, just to make sure we're all on the same page, first off, people associate blogging with WordPress and WordPress with blogging. Now, what I want to suggest is that WordPress does not have to be used to build a blog. As a matter of fact, WordPress is an extremely powerful content management system. If you know about CMS, in other words, if you're sitting there going, well, we want a content management system, but we don't want to have, regular posts. We don't want to support commenting, all that kind of stuff. Well, you can use WordPress to construct, I suppose, what you could refer to as a traditional website. In other words, more along the lines of a static website without regularly updating content, right? That is definitely possible with WordPress. All right, so I hope that makes sense. That's really all I wanted to say about WordPress. I'm sure you're very, very comfortable working with WordPress. Let's talk about themes. Are you comfortable with themes inside WordPress? Essentially, what the theme is the dress up for the website. I usually think of the core WordPress files. I think of that as like the skeletal structure, and then the theme is the dress up. It's the clothing on top of that structure. So it's going to control the look and the feel of your website. And the theme is comprised of a set of PHP files. We'll talk more about these specific individual PHP files in due time. But these PHP files are all compiled together to render HTML inside the web browser, and the whole thing is under the control of CSS, Cascading Style Sheets. So our job here is to develop a very cool looking theme and then take what we've designed and convert it into code using PHP, using some HTML, and of course, a heck of a lot of CSS. Anyway, I'm going to leave it at that. Pretty short and sweet. And again, I just want to make sure we're all starting from the same point.